Amiga, my great love, through years you stood by. From later youth to adulthood, never saying goodbye. A faithful companion in graphics we thrive. Together we created a bond that's alive. Oh Amiga, my sweet friend, our love will never wane. In magazine layouts and games we partake. Through laughter and joy, the memories we make. My Amiga, my star, our love will never fade. In leisure times with you, life felt at ease. You brought me companions, friendships to seize. Side by side we'd conquer obstacles on our way. In the silence of the night, or the light of the day. Oh Amiga, my trusted guide, in retro world we stroll. Together we journey through epic tales untold. As true love awakens, the stories unfold. With you, my Amiga, our bond will never grow old. My Amiga, my Amiga, my Amiga, my Amiga. Years pass, but you never left my heart. Through thick and thin and every part, a spark in the darkness, a beacon of light. Forever entranced in your magic, we'd unite. My Amiga, my passion, our love had no end. The years rolled on, but the journey wasn't over, my friend. I found my way back to your comforting glow. Together again, our love only grew. Oh Amiga, my heart song, through time will remain. In every shared moment, a